What's up, guys? So I am under the deck, sitting on the tractor, and um, the the key was not in the ignition, so I brought another key out. And I don't know how much gas this has in it. I don't know if my dad filled it up yesterday when he cut the lawn, so I have no idea how much gas this has in it. But this is gonna be a warm start because it was running for a few minutes, so this is gonna be a warm start. It's nice. It's really shady under here. I like it. Alrighty. So I'm going to shut it off and I want to see how it starts again. When it started, it sounded like the battery was weak. But actually, when you do this, when you run it like this, it actually charges the battery. It still sounded weak there when it started, the battery. Very nice. It's a beautiful day here today, you guys. Alright, let's shut it off and see how it starts again. Oh, there you go. No hesitation that time. I like it. Alright, I'll rev it up again. Say hesitation. The battery didn't sound weak that time. What I'm trying to do is charge the battery. A couple weeks ago, my dad had to. 2 weeks ago, when my dad cut the lawn, he had to He had to charge the battery with my, the battery had died 2 weeks ago when he cut the lawn. And so he so he borrowed my next door neighbor Mario's battery charger. So what I'm trying to do right now is charge the battery by running it. Cool. Let's see. Let's see how it starts again. Oops, the key came out of the ignition. Hold on, I'm trying to get the key back in the ignition. Hold on. Oh, this key is so annoying. There we go. Alright, so I shut it off. Now... Alright, well... It still sounds weak. But, oh well. The battery, that is. The battery still sounds weak. But, oh well. I don't like this key. Cool. All right. So we'll shut it off one more time and see how it sounds when I start it up again. Oh, all right. So that time it did not. The battery didn't sound weak that time when I started it, so that's good. I'm trying to charge the battery up as much as I can. Here, let's rev it up one more time. Just trying to make sure that the key doesn't come out of the ignition, so I'm actually holding the key. Alrighty. Alright, I'm going to shut it off and I'll start it up one more time for you guys, see how it sounds this time. And then I'm going to end this video. right? Let's see what happens now. Oops. I don't want that key to come out. Alright. Alright guys, well, thanks again for watching. Appreciate it. Love you guys. You guys are awesome. And of course, I will see you all on the next one.